to another video. The deals are alive, guys. The hack is alive. Big shout out to my man Joe the Tool Guy for letting us know, helping out the community, the smaller channel community. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribers and likes. Guys, killer deals, guys. Remember, guys, we made a video about these leaks. Well, now they're live. Go get them. Go get them now before they sell out. All the new ones, all the better deals are gonna sell out. You guys know how it is. M12 12-volt lithium 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery packs and charger starter kit. So that's the starter kit. This is the cheapest starter kit you guys can buy and get the free tool. Alright, so $129, limit 3 per order, so only limit 3. And down here, guess what? You got the free selector here. If I can select it. Alright. So you can choose from on the first one, on the cheaper one, you can choose the light, the 400 lumen light. You can choose a stapler, which I think is the better deal because this is one this is what I'm gonna get. Alright, you got the jigsaw, $99. You got the oscillating tool, $89. You got the rotary tool, $89. You get to choose any of those for free. Alright, let's go back. If we can get out of here. Alright, let's go back to the other one. I had it just right here for you guys. Alright, guys, here's the other deal. This is the M12 12-volt lithium starter kit with 2 6 amp hour batteries and a charger. This is a killer deal for these batteries. Even for the tools, guys. Smoking deals, guys. Alright. So 6 amp hour batteries and the charger. You guys are gonna get that. $199, limit 3 per order. Alright, so you got free gift. Alright, 6 items total. You got the rocket light. This is the M12 rocket light, 1400 lumen. If you guys haven't seen my video, make sure you guys check it out. I did a video on this, comparing this to the bigger light. This is a much smaller light. This is easier to carry if you go camping. You got a smaller truck. If you just want to save the space, you're pretty much going to get just, you know, not the same lumen, but you're still going to get a fairly large amount of light with this light. So 169 with 2 6s, perfect match right there. Alright, you got the ratchet, 149. This is a great deal, guys. Jump on if you're doing DIY, turning your wrenches in the weekend or even as a pro. That's a great ratchet. You got an M12 12-volt cordless Bluetooth AM/FM job site radio charger, 119. You got the M12 12-volt extended capacity 6 amp hour battery pack, 119. You got the M12 fuel lithium brushless cordless quarter-inch hex impact driver, 129. You got the fuel, guys. Remember, guys, these are fuel tools. 12-volt fuel lithium brushless cordless 5 3/8 circ saw. So this is the fuel, 149. Guys, there's just killer deals out here. Even the speaker is nice. The ratchet's like nice. It's not fuel, but still, it's one of the better ones that they have. I mean, that is one of a good ratchet, a solid ratchet. That's a nice light there. So guys, I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video. You guys are gonna get these tools for free. I mean, not for free, but for like dirt cheap, basically. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.